At CPM, engineered performance begins with world-class manufacturing. Our Nanjing facility combines advanced technology, skilled craftsmanship, and global quality standards. We work side by side with our customers, starting with application engineering, through manufacturing, and beyond installation to ensure long-term success. Every component starts with carefully selected materials, inspected and tracked from the moment they arrive. Our barrels are engineered for durability, precision, and long-term performance in demanding applications. From screw elements to shafts, every part is manufactured to exact specifications, ensuring consistency, efficiency, and reliability. Our expertise comes together in fully integrated extrusion systems built to perform as one. Backed by CPM's global engineering expertise, our Nanjing facility delivers the quality, technology, and confidence customers expect anywhere in the world.